Gonna take a break from the charger. I gotta do a little work to this. Gotta get the air conditioning going. Posted a video on this this truck. It's got right under 47,500 miles on it. It's a 2016 Ford, and it's got the automatic AC stuff. So what it was doing was, if you watch, the AC is on, and the truck's not running right now, but it doesn't matter if it runs or not. You see it shut off. I'm not touching anything. It shut back, it turned back on. The airbag light comes off too. And right here, if I try to change it to audio or something, it goes back to the AC. It's doing some weird stuff. Go to nav, won't even do that. Apps, oh, it's just kind of a, and it goes back to AC. So it's doing this on its own. So I put my FORscan on it, and it's saying that this is losing communication. Everything cannot communicate with this. This is the FCIM. And so I got another one off the internet. I'm gonna replace it and see if it works. Hope it does. Okay. All right, I've got the new one in, or used one. This one came out of a 70,000 mile 2016. I might have to do something with that FORscan though. I might have to reprogram it. Let's see. Okay, that's lit up. It's off. Still off. Okay. Let's see. Can I turn it? Let me let the screen boot up. I haven't installed it all the way. Forgive me here. Okay. It's on. Okay. It's still on. So let me see. Can I change? Let's see. Can I change the fan? Yep. All right. Oh, let me turn it back down. Okay. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit the FORscan up anyways, and probably have to clear all those. Maybe I don't have to because it works now. So this piece right here, they call it the FCIM. Everything kind of communicates through this for some odd reason. I bought this on eBay. Cost me 300 bucks, and there's a place that fixes these. I'm fixing to show y'all, or I'm fixing to talk about that. So let me get this all put back together. Okay. All right, now that I got this thing working, right, I'm going to send this one off to get fixed, because I've been reading that these have an issue with it. Now that might last me another, 100,000 miles on it. I don't know, but since everything communicates through this, you could lose blind spot monitoring. I couldn't control anything on here because it kept hitting the power on and off. So there's a place called United Radio that fixes these. They charge, I think it's $300. So if I get that one fixed, that's $300. If I get this one, I keep this one, that's another $300. I'm in at $600. These are discontinued. I looked them up on the internet. Your dealership can get them, and I asked the dealership, it's $900 for that part, just for this. And my guess is they sent them out to get fixed, because I asked the lady, is that new? She says, no, they're rebuilt. So Ford doesn't even have these new. They rebuilt, they're sent off to get rebuilt, and I'm guessing they're going through a place like Radio United. She said 900 bucks. And so I'm saving 300 by doing this myself and having a backup. All right, I got the old one boxed up, ready to take to UPS. I just need to print the thing. That United Radio gives you a thing to print out. And I got my new part, or used part, from OK Auto, which is the same place and the same dude that I got my Hemi from and transmission for my swap. Anyways, I'm gonna take that in tomorrow and send it off, and should be good to go. Anyway, so if you got any questions, let me know. But that pretty much covers any kind of, for the FCIM issues. And I hope it helps anybody out. I did not have to, by the way, reprogram it. I just plugged it in, turned the truck on, and it started to work.